I'm going to show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on this Ram 1500. This happens to be in the 3.6 liter V6 engine. If you need parts for your vehicle, you can get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get started. Before you start, you should know that you're going to need a special scan tool to recalibrate the engine after you're done this job. We're going to disconnect the battery, the negative terminal, use a 10mm socket, loosen up the terminal, and grab it, slide it out of the way. We're going to pop this connector off. I'm just going to use a pick, just move that little lock tab back, just like that. Push on it and slide it back. If you have to, you can use a pick on the other end just to raise this up just slightly. It comes off. Just set that to the side. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Slide that out. Grab the sensor and just give it a wiggle. You might need some pliers. Take the new sensor. You can put a little silicone lubricant on the O-ring. Slide it in position. Just get that started. Wiggle it back and forth. Push that down, make sure that's all the way down, and we can get the bolt. Put the bolt in. And we're going to torque that bolt to 106 inch-pounds. That's good. Take the connector, line it up. Lock it down, and then take that little lock tab and push that forward. Lock that in place. After all this is done, you want to use a scan tool, clear out any of the codes, and perform a cam crank variation relearn. I'll connect the battery, push that on, and use the 10mm socket, snug the terminal down. Just give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.